In this video, we take a look at how a locked user is unlocked in SAP and a new password is assigned. This task is part of the administrative activities of an SAP administrator and is carried out using transaction SU01. Start SAP and call up transaction SU01. Enter the name of the user to be unlocked in the user input field. If the exact user ID is not available, it can be determined with the F4 help. Once the correct user has been selected, click on the lock symbol or press Ctrl plus F5. A system message confirms that the user has been successfully unlocked after another click on the Open Lock. To set a new password, click on the Change Password button. A dialog box opens in which the new password must be entered twice. Make sure that the password complies with the security guidelines. Confirm the entry with Enter or by clicking on the green check mark. A message confirms that the password has been successfully changed. The user can now log in with the new password.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.